Hey everybody, I'm here today with a driving lesson on making a 3-point turn with shuffle steering. Shuffle steering goes something like this. Your hands are going to start off at roughly the 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock position with regards to imagining your steering wheel like a clock. And then what you're going to do is you're going to use one hand to sort of pull the wheel down. The other hand's going to slide and meet it at the bottom. Then you're going to switch hands, you're going to shuffle, and now the other hand is going to then pull the wheel up. Okay, push the wheel up. So you're pulling and pushing, and that's why it's otherwise referred to as the push-pull method. But shuffle steering is definitely another way to refer to it as. So you're going to be shuffling just like that. Very simple. Now, for a U-turn, this is very important because you're going to be steering all the way to the left and all the way to the right and all the way to the left again. So what we're going to do is we're going to start driving. The first step in doing a 3-point turn, I don't know if I said U-turn or 3-point turn, but I'm talking about a 3-point turn. Basically, we're going to start driving, and for the first part of the 3-point turn, we're actually going to be pulling over to the side of the curb just like this. So I'm going to put my right signal on, pulling over to the side of the road just like that. Now, before you start a 3-point turn, you always want to make sure that it's completely safe to go forth with that 3-point turn, and also make sure that it's legal. Make sure you're allowed to do a 3-point turn in that spot. When you're ready to proceed with the 3-point turn using shuffle steering, you want to signal left. You want to look all in front of the car, all behind the car. That means completely turn your head around and look out that rear windshield. Check all 3 of your mirrors. Look to your right, look to your left. Make sure that you have a good amount of sight in front of you and behind you. When you're ready to do so, and only when it's safe to do so, you're going to shuffle steer to the left. Now I can see in my mirror that there's actually a car approaching, so I'm going to wait until that car passes. The car is now passing. I'm now going to do all of my checks again to make sure that it's safe to do so. We're going to shuffle steer to the left. To steer to the left with shuffle steering, what you want to do is use your left hand, bring the wheel down, switch to the right, so shuffle to the right, up, left, down, just like that. When you can't turn the wheel anymore, release the brake pedal, move forward and drive, stop before you hit the car. You're now going to switch to signaling to the right, put the car in reverse, and you're going to shuffle steer all the way to the right, just like this. Shuffle steer all the way to the right, just like that. When the wheel can't turn anymore, continue looking all around the car and reverse. There's actually a car coming, so I'm going to move this up a little bit. Signal left, drive, shuffle steer to the left, just like that. And then you may proceed just like that. And you can drive just like that. Now I'm going to demonstrate it one more time, speeding it up just a bit. We're going to pull over to the side of the road, just like this, right over here. Now we're going to start the 3-point turn using shuffle steering, okay? So what we're going to do, signal left, look in front, look behind, look all around, check the mirrors, check everywhere. When it's safe to proceed, and only when it's safe to proceed, shuffle steer to the left, just like that, till you can't turn anymore. Keep the wheel in that most left position right there. Release the brake, and obviously if you're driving manual, you want to use the clutch and so forth. And come to a stop before you hit the curb. You definitely don't want to hit the curb. Switch to reverse, signal right, shuffle steer all the way to the right. Once again, holding the wheel all the way to the right and going in reverse. Stop before you hit the curb, okay? Now, signal left, drive, shuffle steer all the way to the left, just like that, and move forward, just like that. And then you can proceed, and you're going the opposite way on the road. And that's basically it. In this video, I've gone over the basics of making a 3-point turn using the shuffle steering method. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.